Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Here at this customer's site. This is the customer's, we call the call center. Just wanted to take a look at some things before we get started with the brush deck. Oopsie. So this is excellent aftercare right here. The brushes are out. The idlers are out and drying into this tray, and also the debris tray is out, which is awesome. So I would like to say the user is doing a great job. Now, one thing we do need to make sure that we're doing is rotating the brushes weekly. I don't know if that was put out in the training, but sometimes I've had customers put nail polish on one or the other to make sure that they're turning them every week, but that's just merely a suggestion. Now, looking inside here, the charger is charging. Well, it's actually completed its charge, as you can see with the green light. Now, I would suggest if you're going to do this, instead of having the seat down on here, go ahead and take the lever and lock the seat in the up position. Squeegee's off and it's nice and clean. Lids open, tanks clean as it can be, which is good. Gasket's good. Oops, sorry. We got clean in here. So I'm going to turn on the unit and get the hour meter reading, and we'll continue. This is the hour meter, 154.7. I believe we replaced the last belt around 140. So, hour meter reading. This is the right side assembly, and I'm kind of looking at the wear. I noticed that now, for some reason, I should only have this much deflection of the belt, not that much. It's supposed to be a 1/2 inch according to the service manual, and the idler's sliding somewhat. So, to be safe, I want to replace this, and I'm going to have to check. What I'm going to have to do is check to see if there's any type of damage on either one of these pulleys. Only a couple things can be happening here. I don't understand why at this point why this idler would be moving back unless there was some kind of obstruction somehow, but that's why I'm here to investigate and see if there's any abnormalities in this. This is the left side, and I was assuming that the belt was broken for some reason, but this one has decent deflection within spec, but this is what we are feeling right now, and I'm not sure what that's being caused by. I'm going to take off the belt here momentarily, and it feels like there's something, could be in the motor, and it's right now there's just a hard spot right here. I'm going to check this idler first, and then we're going to individually spin these the pulley, the sheave from the motor side, and the idler, tension idler here. We're gonna, but I do feel something stiff right here, and you can hear that noise. So stand by for an update. Belt's off and the tensioner's off. Now, checking the lower pulley, that feels good. There's no noise, no grinding. But now I'm touching the sheath. So we have an issue with possibly carbon brush failure. Something is possibly wedged into the commutator and it's just riding. There, we got a hard spot right there. So We have some internal damage on this motor, evidently, and that's what's causing some issue. I'm in service test mode right now, and you can see that the right-hand motor is running, and that sounds good. And here's the left-hand side, and it's not running. We have an open circuit, so whatever happened inside that motor has caused an open circuit, and we need to get this motor replaced.